Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's episode, I'll be guiding you through how you can log into the WhatsApp application. Before starting, if you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into the WhatsApp application, make sure you've downloaded WhatsApp on your device. Go to your Play Store or your App Store, if you haven't yet, and search for WhatsApp. After you find it, simply tap on the Install button to download. Since I have already downloaded it, let me open it by tapping on Open. Now, as soon as you open WhatsApp, you'll see this kind of screen on your display. To move forward, tap on Agree and continue to log into WhatsApp. You'll need to enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, WhatsApp will send an SMS message to verify your phone number. First, enter your country from the drop-down menu. After you're done, enter your mobile number. Right after that, tap on the Next button. If you've mistakenly typed the wrong phone number, then you can correct it. Now simply tap on Edit and correct your phone number and tap on the Next button for verification. Tap on OK from the pop-up and now wait for the code to arrive. As you can see that your phone number has been verified now. Now to restore your backup from Google Drive, allow WhatsApp to access your contact. Tap on Continue to allow access and tap on Allowing all of the access. If you want to back up, then tap on Restore. If not, tap on Skip. Now enter your name. You can upload a profile picture by tapping on the camera icon and select a photo from your gallery or take a picture from a camera right now. After you're done, tap on the Next button. Wait for a moment and there you go, you are logged into WhatsApp. That is all for today. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or feedback for us, I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.